Hello everyone, Nick from Chrysler here. Today we're looking at this pre-owned 2015 Nissan Xterra S in a wonderful blizzard white. Under the hood, you are going to find a 4.0 liter V6 engine coupled with an automatic transmission. Taking a look at your wheel, you are sitting on these alloy rims with BF Goodrich tires. Looking at your key now, you have your unlock, lock, and panic button. Now coming inside the Xterra, on the door you're going to find your powered windows and locks. Then, just below there, you do have some additional storage space. On the back side of your wheel, you have your headlamp switches. And your driver's seat is fully adjustable and an amazing light gray cloth interior. This Nissan has 57,423 kilometers. Down to the left of your wheel, you have your hands-free calling with your wheel-mounted audio controls so that you can keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Over to the right of your wheel, you have your cruise control options. Panning over to your multimedia center, you of course have your AM and FM options with Sirius XM radio if you choose to subscribe. You are also able to play a CD or connect a USB, Bluetooth, or auxiliary cords. Below there, you have your climate controls. And you are able to change your drive modes. There is tons of storage throughout this SUV. Coming into your back seats, you do have tons of room back here for your passengers. However, you can easily fold down your back seats to maximize your cargo space. Coming around to your trunk, you can easily get all of your summer and winter activities back here. You also have some additional storage space below your floorboards. One great feature about this vehicle is it comes with a fully loaded first aid kit. This Nissan has been fully inspected and it does have a full car proof. It has been 5-star clean to look like a brand new SUV. This bad boy just hit our lot just in time for summer. Don't miss your chance to take this off-road beast home with you. This was Nick, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day.